Looking for a hairstyle that is cute, stylish, and easy to manage without spending hours in front of the mirror? Short braids might just be the perfect choice for you. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring stylish and cute short braids hairstyle for ladies. A trendy and practical look that never goes out of fashion. Short braids are perfect for women who love a neat, lightweight, and low-maintenance hairstyle. Unlike long braids, they are easy to style, comfortable to wear, and ideal for both busy schedules and hot weather. What makes short braids so special is their versatility. You can go for classic bob braids, playful shoulder length twist, or even chic braided pixel styles. Add beads, curves, or a touch of color, and you instantly elevate your look from simple to stunning. Another great benefit is how protective they are for your natural hair. Short braids help reduce tension on your scalp while still keeping your hair tucked away and safe from daily damage. Plus, they are beginner friendly and don't take as long to install compared to longer styles. In 2026, short braids are all about personality and confidence. Whether you prefer a bold, edgy vibe or a soft, feminine look, there is a short braid style that fits you perfectly. Imagine stepping out with a hairstyle that is not only beautiful, but also effortless to maintain. That's the magic of short braids. Keep watching for more hairstyle inspiration and ideas you will absolutely love. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite style, and subscribe for more trendy hair looks. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next